Manela, go and buy me Combantrin.
You never even soak this white well. See the way you just do it anyhow.
What do you say I should buy, sir?
Combantrin! Combantrin!
What is Combantrin?
It's fruit juice.
Hey! Combantrin is one medicine. One medicine. Go to chemist and buy me Combantrin.
Combantrin is one medicine. And I told me it's fruit juice.
It's the medicine you take when fruit juice is worrying you.
When fruit juice is worrying you, is fruit juice a disease?
I think I send you a message and you are here. I send you a message and you are here. See this pit. If this pit is dry and you have not come back here, I will beat you. And if you forget what I have sent you, I will kill you. What did I say you should buy?
Combantrin!
I know you will go and forget it.
It's Combantrin.
Ah,
Combantrin.
you will forget it.
Combantrin. 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 Chukwemeka, what are you doing?
I'm playing game.
Which game?
Mortal Kombat.
What is Mortal Kombat?
Mortal Kombat is a fighting game.
So
you don't know Mortal Kombat.
See you. I won't have it at home. Me that is playing it every day.
Okay now.
Mortal Kombat. 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 Okay, I want to buy Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat.
Yes.
This is not a game shop. I don't sell Mortal Kombat.
No. Kombat.
I don't have it.
Contraband.
Look, let me tell you something in your life. I don't sell contraband drug. If you repeat it again, you see what did your uncle send you to buy?
Latrine. Uncle, please don't give me any medicine that have latrine inside.
Wait. Please, subscribe.
A Trip to Jamaica, another adventure of Outposts. Premiere on September 25th and showing across all cinemas in Nigeria from September 30th.